Hey guys, I'm back, and this time I'm actually going to be unboxing my Shop Jessica Hart's Goal Getter box. This is my first time ever getting a box from her, and I'm all for like goal getting stuff business because, as you can see by my name, Girl Boss Anna, I'm all about things that just motivate me to just be my own boss and all that stuff. So I'm super excited to open this box up. So let's just get right into it because I can't wait. So I'm just gonna open it up. I'm not gonna peek at all, and I'm just gonna put it to the side. So this is her card, Shop Jessica Hart, and it says, "Welcome to our spring box. Hey boss babe, this box was designed with you in mind to keep you organized, focused, and motivated to achieve those goals. You got this, Jessica." Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me zoom you guys in. Oh, the first thing I feel is a pen. Oh, a pen is so cute. Let's see, let me grab out some paper. I just showed you guys this in my haul yesterday. And it writes well too. So yay, I've got a pen. And then I feel paper. What is this? Ooh, a sticker kit. Okay, let's open this one up. I had no idea what to expect from this box, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys don't know what to expect either. So this is what you can expect to get from one of her boxes. So this is the sticker kit. Ooh, and it's pretty good quality paper too, so I'm really happy about that. This is matte paper. The top says Go Getter. You've got some quarter boxes with the flag ends, some heart checklist. These are headers that you can use. So, oops, totally just took that out. But yeah, the quality of this paper is not bad, and I think I'm a stickler for paper, as I'm starting to realize about myself. Anyways, this next sheet, ooh, there's a weekend sticker. I like that it's like a swatch looking thing. Is that what it's called? Swatch? You've got some headers here, some half boxes. Yeah, half boxes. Then you've got some heart check boxes. Some functional icons, some quarter boxes. Ooh, I like this flag. Or these flags. Oh, that's so cute. They'll do. And yes. Oh, bottom washi. I'm just saying ooh to everything. I'm so excited right now. You guys don't even know. So these are headers. Once again, it's got this really nice like crinkled gold foil looking look to it. I like this kind of ombre effect here. And finally, the best part. Oh, the full boxes. So it says Go Getter. Oh, that's a noun. A person determined to succeed. It's handled. Oh, that's so boss right there. This ring phone. I like this swatch. I don't know if it's called swatch. I'm just gonna say it's swatch. But once again, this watercolor looking look to it. And that's so cute. And then lastly, I think it's lastly. Yeah. Lastly, you've got these functional icons or decorative icons. Some headers again. Weekly checklists, some days of the week stickers, which I really like. I appreciate these because I feel like these really make your planner spreads look better. And habit trackers, that's really cute. This is kind of like a Mac desktop with the sunglasses in it. Here's a planner that says time to plan and some flags. Cute, cute. And that's the sticker kit. What's next? What do I feel? What is this? Oh, it's an iron-on patch. Oh, that's so cute. And it says Boss Babe. Let me pull this out so you guys can see it in its full gloriousness. Oh, I like that it has instructions for you to do this because I've never done this before. So I guess all you need is an iron. It says make sure you have preheat the iron before you iron it. Put as much pressure you have on top of the patch. This helps you to iron it securely. Let the iron on top. What? I guess. Okay, it says let the iron on top of the patch for about 10-15 seconds. Double check if it sticks. If it is, stick it securely. Okay, these are okay, whatever. But yeah. Anyways, this is the Boss Babe iron on patch. I can't talk. Iron on patch. It has this as the backing. It's very fabric-y. I've never understood how this works, but I can't wait to use this. I don't know what I'm gonna iron it onto though, but we'll figure it out. Next is, ooh, what is this? This is a book. Ooh, a checklist. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, you really get a lot. Wow, this is like, she really packed it on. Like, this is a lot of pages. Okay, this says today, date, top 3. Don't forget you got this to do. I really like this. I can totally just leave this on my desk and just jot down things if I am, or if I don't have my planner with me, or if I'm too lazy to pull it out, or just cause. This is really cute. Oh, I'm so happy I got this box, guys. Okay, and that was it, guys. That's the goal getter box. So let me just show you everything. Okay, so I've taken the liberty to lay it out all pretty for you guys to see what's in the goal getter spring box from Shop Jessica Hearts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did, and I was super happy to get all these things. I love things like this because it motivates me to just be a boss babe. So I can't wait to use these, and I will probably feature her sticker kit in one of my videos in the future for a plan with me. So look out for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.